What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best wireless keyboards on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Asus ROG Azoth. The Asus ROG Azoth stands out as the best wireless gaming keyboard, offering a combination of speed, responsiveness, and reliability for gaming, along with a highly satisfying typing experience. Its customizable features, such as the 2-inch OLED screen and hot swappable switches, provide users with a high level of control over their gaming keyboard experience. The keyboard comes with a full accessory kit, including a DIY lube station, adding to its versatility. Designed as a gasket mount mechanical keyboard with hot swappable switches, available with Asus and X switches in red/linear, brown/tactile, or blue/clicky, the ROG Azoth features per-key RGB lighting and double-shot PBT keycaps. The chassis is made of plastic to avoid interference with wireless connectivity, while the metal top plate and 3 layers of internal sound dampening foam contribute to its impressive sound quality. Number 2. Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro. The Razer BlackWidow V3 Pro stands out as a favorite wireless gaming keyboard due to its full-size, full-height mechanical switch experience and premium gaming features. The keyboard features hog-end double-shot tabs plastic keycaps that offer a comfortable feel during use and resist smudges effectively. The aluminum top plate adds durability, and the keyboard comes with a plush leatherette magnetic wrist rest for added comfort. With 4 onboard memory profiles, it provides convenience for users. The BlackWidow V3 Pro offers multiple connectivity options, including a wireless dongle, a charging cable, and Bluetooth, allowing it to pair with up to 3 additional PCs. Battery life varies based on backlight brightness and effects, ranging from 5 to 25 hours with lighting and reaching 192 hours without. Number 3. Redragon K596 Vishnu. The Redragon K596 Vishnu may not be as well known in the gaming brand landscape, especially in the US, but it offers a compelling option at a price of $70. This wireless gaming keyboard operates at 2.4 GHz and features RGB lighting, dedicated macro and media keys, a metal volume rocker, linear switches, and includes a hard plastic wrist rest. Notably, its tankless design adds to its portability. The K596 Vishnu is commended for its solid build quality and comfort during gaming and typing sessions. However, there are some design elements that may appear less polished, such as the plastic shell and certain keys labeling and positioning. The keyboard includes secondary media controls, F1, F8, despite having a dedicated bank of media buttons nearby. The programmable G keys are also noted for their narrow and cramped layout. Number 4. Corsair K100 Air Wireless RGB. The Corsair K100 Air Wireless RGB stands out for its unique design and form factor, being the thinnest mechanical gaming keyboard from a major gaming brand. With a thickness of just 11 mm at its thinnest point, it recalls the chiclet keys of previous generations, but maintains an impressive mechanical keyboard typing and gaming experience. While the keyboard is noted for its thinness and unique design execution, there are areas for potential improvement, such as the shine on the keycaps. Priced at $279, the Corsair K100 Air Wireless RGB is recognized as an expensive option. However, it is commended for being the most feature-rich and satisfying gaming keyboard in its class. The inclusion of wireless capabilities and RGB lighting adds to its appeal for gamers seeking a premium experience. Number 5. Razer DeathStalker V2 Pro. The Razer DeathStalker V2 Pro represents a notable departure from its predecessor, offering an attractive low-profile design with essential features for connectivity, customization, and aesthetic appeal. The keyboard is praised for providing a surprisingly decent typing experience and an excellent gaming experience, making it a versatile option for users. Despite being described as not exactly built like a tank, it is acknowledged for its durability relative to its small, slim, and lightweight form factor. The inclusion of customizable lighting adds to the overall appeal of the DeathStalker V2 Pro. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.